Hi, Click and Wonder. For now, what we have here is L3210. So, this is episode, no guys? So, tuturuan ko kayo paano ba magtanggal ng printer head. So, same na sa L3110. And then, simulan na natin. First, iangat nyo lang muna. Yung normal printer is meron ditong cover, which is yung with Epson logo. Then, may cover din dito. Ayan, this is the logic board. This is the data disk, coder disk. So malagat to guys, pag ito lumuwag, hindi nagagana yung printer ninyo. Power supply. Ito yung gears. Okay, so natin. Ayan. Ito yung stand. Okay. Ito yung mga ink cartridge. Gusto nyo lang yan. Okay. Tagalin nyo isa't isa. And for that, ikita nyo yan. May puti. Ang kanyang opening yan is ito nasa gilid. Ipitin nyo lang yan both sides. Okay. Next, merong screw. Positive. Ito na yung printer head. Yeah. Okay. Receive still working. Try natin siya sa ibang printer. May tayo screwdriver. So guys, much better na gumamit ka ng screwdriver na meron ng magnet sa dulo. O yung may block. Okay. Then, next. Wala akong pliers na available, so you can use cutter. Hilayin lang natin to guys. Yun. Hilayin lang. Then, hilayin lang. Yung kanyang flex cable. Hindi naman maselan to guys. Okay. Okay. Test natin sa ibang printer. So, ito na guys. Next naman, susubukan natin itong isang thermal head na isalpak dito sa isang printer to test kung working talaga. Kung okay pa to. Kasi isang printer na pinagkuhaan natin ng printer head is may problema na sa kanyang mga mechanism. Mostly dito yan. Sa gears niya. Ang problem naman ng isang logic board kapag di na gumagana yung may problema ng logic board, mostly hindi nagbubukas yung printer, hindi nagpa-power on. So, same. Yan. Kita yung nakalock. Except naka-proper itong okay pa itong printer ko ito gumagana. Gagawin nyo lang is ito, ilain nyo lang. Mag-push nyo lang. Then tsaka nyo ilain itong cartridge nya. Okay, then ayun yung cartridge palabas. Yan. Then again, buksan lang natin itong clip both sides. Okay, and then another screw. So ayan guys, bago natin ikutin yung screwdriver, kailangan ididiin muna natin dun sa screw para talaga makuha, maikot. Ayan, okay. Then scatter plier, dahil wala akong pliers ngayon, lain lang natin yan. Then again, tanggalin natin yung flex cable. So, ito na yung printer head neto, original printer head. Ito yung subukan natin, it's still working. Yan, okay. So, yan. Pwede rin natin hindi na muna i-screw. Total intact naman na yan. Para lang matest natin agad. So, again, balik-balik natin yung mga cartridge niya. Yan. Hindi naman maselan ng printer, guys. Hindi naman maselan. Oh. Sorry. Kailangan natin pala ito ibalik. Okay. Bang. 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 Okay. Close natin siya. Okay. Yung saksak natin. Power on. Meron siyang papel. So we'll test it. Still working. So as you can see guys, nag-print ako ng test print. Walang ink. So for now, nag-clean tayo ng for nozzle check and then later deep clean para lang bumaba yung ink muna. So if it's still not working, wala pa rin siya ilabas na ink, nagamit na tayo ng solutions. Okay? So ito na nga guys, after cleaning the nozzle check and deep clean, ito na kalalabasan na ng ating print. Ito guys, hindi ko pa nalagyan ng solutions ha. So possible baka sa solutions makuha pa nga. Although ayan, black is good. Black is good. Cyan, yellow is good. Magenta, mostly yan ang nawawala pag may problem. So ayan guys, possible solutions lang. If ever na hindi pa rin makuha sa solutions, yan, ano lang, talaga sira yung printer head. So ayan guys, thank you.